Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the CAMWORLD digital camera for kids. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. The camera is small and lightweight and comes with a memory card, 2 rechargeable batteries, a USB-C cable, a lanyard and a user manual. It can be used for photos, videos and also as a webcam. It has a self-timer, loop recording, slow motion recording, a flashlight, 10 filters and more. The packaging states that the camera is designed for amateurs and beginners, not for professional users. I tested the camera for about 2 weeks and I think it's a nice product. It's very easy to use and it has a lot of different effects and functions. The photo and video quality is okay, not comparable to my professional camera, but pretty acceptable for a beginner camera. I also tested the camera as a webcam and the quality was pretty good, better than expected. It even works without a rechargeable battery if the camera is connected directly to the computer. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, beginner-friendly digital camera, I would recommend the CAMWORLD digital camera for kids. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.